god, it feels so good. This is the street outside of our hotel, and it's so quiet in this neighborhood. And today is a beautiful, clear sky, sunny day. And the weather is like... I'm gonna say it's about 18 degrees. Where are we going today?
A cave.
We're gonna go visit a cave and a beach. Because we're predicting tomorrow or the next few days is gonna be raining. And we only have a few days left in Jeju. 안녕하세요. It's called misoga gimbap. It costs $6 for 2 gimbap, so $3 each. Say hi. I think the schools here on the island or even in Korea are so nice, like so colorful. See, it's so colorful, so well maintained.
이번 정류장은 동성동입니다. 다음 정류장은 김영해수욕장입니다.
Our bus driver dropped us off, but he said something in Korean. So apparently the lava tube cave is closed today.
Construction.
Yeah, there's construction going on. I guess this is what happens when, you know, you're traveling. Gotta have an open mind. Things don't always work out the way you plan. I can hear the construction. It sounds like they're throwing away some metal scraps.
What a disappointment. Here, film this thing.
So now we gotta wait for another bus to go back the other way. We're just gonna go rest at this maze park. Hey, buddy.
They just shed.
Hello. It costs 7,000 won per adult, but we do not want to go in. There's like mini golf and garden, cats. I think it's good for like families with small children.
건 해수욕장에 한 번.
So cute, you can make a stamp for memories. And there's a bike pump in here.
And there's the orange juice with
So if you want, you can rent these bikes or little train things. It looks like that. Wow, the breeze here is so cool. Like, feels so nice when the warm sun is hitting your skin. The sand is so soft. Look, very fine white sand. Sea sponge. It's actually, it feels like a sponge. This is the other side. It's so interesting. So nice, right? Oh my god, it feels so good. B, say hi to camera.
Let me get the windmill.
So beautiful. I can just watch the waves all day. I feel like this beach is a lot nicer than the one we went to yesterday. So I recommend coming here. It took us about an hour to bus from our hotel to here. But you know what's funny? I don't see anybody going in the water.
Good. People are. I wish I had my swimming trunks.
I would, but I wasn't sure if there was a shower here. So I think I know why people don't go in the waters, because there's a risk of jellyfish stings. It says in case of a jellyfish sting, call the emergency number, wash your eyes, I don't know. He's putting his GoPro in the water. Cool. People are parasailing. Yeah. That's cool. God, this guy is flying so close. Oh, so cool.
Look, more kelp. Look, there's grape. There's
What are
berries.
those? I think it's empty inside. What do you think?
I think it's cool. Wow.
There's another one. Well, it's... Look, this is lava. Well, it used to be. Now it's rock.
Shark.
That's cool. This is what formed the island thousands of years ago.
Heart.
Heart. We love Jeju. The sand feels extra cushiony over here. So much fun to walk on. So soft. Water is so clear. Wow, look at this piece of kelp. It feels like plastic. This is the gimbap we bought earlier. Look, ingredients are so fresh.
Look at our view. Good.
That hits the spot. It's pretty good. I like it.
And we have to drink.
Oh yeah, and this juice is our favorite mandarin juice. This was only like
$2,
$2 or $3. Look, I just found out this was written here. I didn't write it. So pretty. There's a like a 911, but here they call it 119. There's a post right there, and then right here in the middle it says shower and changing room. It says you're not allowed to take a shower. It is blocked. Like the drain is blocked. I don't think you can use it. I'm pretty sure it's not in operation. Let's see. See, the door's closed. My feet feel so relaxed, like it's so soft. Wow. Oh, okay. Thank you. 감사합니다. She was just telling us that it's a dead end. You can't go any further. She's so nice.
Why don't you have sunglasses?
Because don't need it. What do you call this?
鬼妹性格
No, this part.
Inlet. I don't see anybody doing surfing. Like sorry. Wow.
Smoked salmon.
It's smoked salmon.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot of smoked salmon. Cranberry, boiled egg. You think their table's upside down? You said you like the table because it's rough
Smooth. They flipped it around.
on purpose.